Hi class! Today we are making a keto-friendly appetizer, Thai shrimp cakes. Let's get straight to cooking. Here are the ingredients for the shrimp cakes and the sweet chili dipping sauce. The full list of ingredients you need are also listed below in the description. In a food processor, add about half a pound of peeled deveined shrimp, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a clove of shallot, a stalk of green onions, and pulse until it forms a paste. Open the food processor and add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a half teaspoon of fish sauce, and a half teaspoon of white pepper. Pulse again until everything is combined. Scoop out the shrimp paste into a bowl and set aside. On a flat plate, add 1/4 cup of ground pork rinds, 1/4 cup of almond flour, and a dash of white pepper, and mix them all together really well. Take the shrimp paste and use your hands to shape small round patties. Dip the patties into the coating and make sure it's coated on both sides. As a healthier option, I will be cooking these shrimp cakes in an air fryer, but you can also deep fry them. Place them on an air fryer rack and spray with some olive oil or avocado oil. Put the shrimp cakes in the air fryer and set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. While the shrimp cakes are cooking, let's prepare our dipping sauce. In a pot, combine 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of monkfruit sweetener or any sugar substitute you prefer, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and a teaspoon of xanthan gum as a thickener. Add a dash of salt for taste. Place the pot on the stove on medium heat and boil the sauce. Keep stirring and let the sauce thicken. Once it is a thick consistency, you can remove it from the heat. Pour the sauce in the sauce dish and set aside. Once the 10 minutes are up, take out the air fryer tray and turn the shrimp cakes over to the other side and spray again with oil. Pop them back into the air fryer and set it for another 5 minutes at 400 degrees. The shrimp cakes will go perfectly with some refreshing spring mix. Serve it with the sweet chili sauce we made earlier, and for extra credit, drizzle some Sriracha Mayo over the shrimp cakes.